So now I'm going to show you how to join the two pieces together. I'll bring the dark blue, which was my last, and I'll insert it in the stitches. It's a bit dark, but I'll explain while I'm working. So in the chain 2, the last chain 2 space, I will join the thread, chain 1 single crochet in the space. Then what I'm gonna do is a single crochet in each stitch. So slowly find the stitches and make a single crochet only. So throughout the work, and then leave the last side so you can put the pillow and then continue stitching or single crochet. So this will be the outer side later on. Slowly find the stitches. If you want to see with a lighter color how I did the single crochet, check the my previous video on the moss stitch pillow. I did the same edge to join the two sides together. It's exactly the same, so you can watch it and do the same for this metered granny square. And now the last part. So I left one side unworked just to put the pillow and then continue closing the last part. So you have the choice either to close it all or put a button, but I prefer to close it all. And now we'll continue the same way as we started. So I made it a little bigger. So I made it a little bigger than my pillow, so it looks nicer. And here I'm gonna go again with one single. So in the corner I will make 2 single crochet. This is the corner, and 1 single crochet again in every stitch till I'm completely done. And this is the pillow completed. As you can see, the result is quite pretty. So just to recap, I have made 4 rows of each color for a total of 32 rows, all equally for 4 rows. And it fits a pillow of 45 by 45 centimeters. You can make it even bigger or smaller, it's up to you. And for the granny meter granny square, you'll find the link of the tutorial, full tutorial, in the description box. Also, don't forget to look at the written pattern so you can follow clearly with the video as well. And if you have any questions or any queries, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.